But you know, so I find sitting in a yard and me one day for fear.
Wait, you find something round there, sir?
Yeah, man, I find sitting in a yard, man. Round this in a yard. I'm there one day for fear one, you know.
Anything I find in a yard, I'm my own, man. Anything I find, I could have a little mickle, muckle, all the power ants you find in my yard, I'm my own, man.
Where's your fear one?
You know, hear me say, anything I find in my yard, I'm my own. You hear me, I tell you, you sure see a fear one? Yo, me get it now, man, you.
Yo, me I tell you, yo, that one is different in the cause. Yo, cause you sure see a fear one.
Anything I find, me get it now, man.
I wonder if for money, boy, really fine. If for money, me I take everything, you know. Yo.
So, alright, what is that now?
I just want to get.
Jesus!
Look at your hair size, still, you know.
Jesus is Lord! Put that like
What's up, guys? I don't know, it's your boy Tep Dan Comedy. Guys, me need you to go check out the YouTube channel for me. In YouTube channel name Parry Cooking, guys. Link is in the description, guys. Go and subscribe to Parry Cooking. Uni Joggins go. A whole heap of cooking the dog about, but understand. So guys, just go over there and support the dog and show him some love. Uni Joggins go. Big up on yourself. Big up to everybody who are watching video same way and more. Subscribe.
Every gal want lick it like lollipop. Me take away a boy gal right on the spot. Me no power with no loot when the whole of we a chopping. I tilt up markets real well fat. Every gal want lick it like lollipop. Me take away a boy